What's up, guys? So I have a little problem, and it's a raffia problem. I love all sorts of handbags that are made of raffia, straw, crochet, and the like. And I have a real weakness for them, and I would never spend like Dior money for that, but I do like looking at the much more affordable options, and Longchamp is one of them. So last year I was looking at a Longchamp straw or raffia bag that I had missed out on. It was really cute, but I had not seen it till the end of the season and they had all sold out. So I wanted to make a point of kind of keeping my eye out for it early this year to see if there was something that was going to come out for the spring. I did, and I found something even better. So I'm going to show you what that is. However, I do want to make a point of saying that while I love watching unboxings on handbags because that is my hobby, that is what I love handbags. That's kind of what I enjoy collecting or curating, whatever you want to call it. And watching some of these unboxings online is a guilty pleasure sometimes for me. But I also recognize that there is something gross about unboxings because it just really feeds into this culture that we have of consumerism and just constantly consuming. And that is something that I'm very conscious of because when I buy something, I try to make very considered purchases. I don't like buying something just because it's cheap or affordable or on sale. I really think about whether I'm going to get a lot of use out of something, if it's going to bring me a lot of joy, if it's very functional, and that sort of thing. So I try to be really considerate about that. So when I'm sitting here and being like, I have an unboxing, it just feels very hypocritical, and I kind of hate that feeling. So I do struggle with that, and I'll never be a channel where I am someone who's like, hey guys, I've got 15 or 20 things to unbox here, or outfits that I just bought, or sweaters, and here's 100 things that you should buy on Amazon. That is not me, but I'm not a minimalist either. So I recognize that I fall somewhere in the middle where I really try to be considered in anything that I buy. I do want to put that out there because while some might think that my purchases are frivolous or complete waste of money and complete nonsense, everyone has their vice. Handbags happen to be my vice. So I'm sorry for the long-winded disclaimer, but I did want to put that out there. So anyway, back to being hypocritical. Here's the handbag that I bought on Longchamp. So it was beautifully packaged. I did open it up, and it had a beautiful ribbon attached to it. And when I showed this to my husband, he was like, that is so ugly. So to each their own. But here's the Longchamp. Oh gosh, I'll put the name up on the screen of what this is called. But it's in this beautiful lemon yellow strap, leather strap. And look at that embroidery. So it's like a tiny vanity bag. It's got a top handle, a long shoulder strap. This is not detachable. But look at that embroidery. Holy heck. I mean, this is so freaking adorable. The gold hardware. And I like how this, so let's see. It's really easy to open because some of them can be really, especially vanity shaped bags, can be really a pain to open. This has a white canvas interior. This is a little care booklet. It's not a wipeable, it's a cotton canvas interior. And it looks like there's one tiny slip pocket that seems, oh, actually it's not even it's not even a slip pocket. It's just it's a loop that reinforces this top handle. So there's no internal pockets, which is fine, but this is so great, so cute. Okay, so I'm just going to show you quickly what fits inside. I'm filming on my phone, but this does fit the iPhone 11 regular phone. And it's also very flexible, obviously, so it's not like a tight fit or anything. So I'm just putting in some random stuff. This is quite thick of a wallet, but a small wallet, a little pouch, a 6-ring key holder, a lipstick, Tic Tacs or hand sanitizer. Super spacious, plenty of room. Let's see. Throw in a pair of sunglasses in here. How freaking cute is this? Oh my goodness, I love this so much. It is adorable. This lemon yellow color is so fresh for the summer. And it says Longchamp on the top. It's not detachable. And this is how it hits on me. Perfect. My waist is here. My hips are here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Sorry, am I yelling in the mic? This is so cute. And you can hold it like this. Oh my gosh, this is even better in real life than online. So when I saw this online, I bought it from the Longchamp website and it said limited stock. So I checked out, I put one in my basket, I checked out and placed the order. And then I went back on the website to see if there was any more in stock, and straight away it said out of stock. So I got the last one. I ordered this yesterday, it came today. So that's really good. But plenty of space. This thing is so light. Oh my gosh. This is even nicer in person. I just love that embroidery. Look at that. This is going to be added into my Raffia bag collection. I really try not to have too many Raffia bags because how many do you need? But when I see a damn good one, I do get it. And let's see how easy it is to close. Super easy. Oh my gosh, let me know if you think this is ugly as hell or if you love it. So I've seen this on the Farfetch website too. I will say Farfetch sells it for a little bit more expensive than if you bought it on the Longchamp website. So if you want to save a little bit of money, then just go to the Longchamp website. If they restock, I'm sure they will. But Farfetch sells it for I think $30 more than retail on the Longchamp website, roughly. So I love this. And let me know your thoughts. I'm obsessed. Anyway, if you like this video, then please go binge watch some other videos that I have on my playlist and let me know what you think about this, and I'll see you next time. Bye!